What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about starting. There's often, for me at least, I run into this thing where I have a good idea, or I want to do something, or I want to accomplish something, or whatever. And I think so hard about how to do it and what it would be like to accomplish it that I sort of feel a sense of accomplishment in just thinking about it. I don't know if that makes sense. Hopefully you kind of understand and resonate and kind of like get where I'm coming from. But I want to talk about actually starting. So it's so important that whatever your idea is or whatever your thing is, you start. In this case, reselling, because sometimes you need some extra cash, or sometimes a bill pops up out of nowhere, sometimes life, whatever. For me, found out today I have a huge bill that kind of popped up out of nowhere, and I've got 3 weeks to pay this huge bill. And so not worrying about it, not stressing, not fretting, just buckling down and getting to work. And so here's the thing. If you want to start something, you literally, you can plan, you can have good ideas, you can think about it, you can strategize, but the thing is, you've got to start. And so my challenge to you today is that whatever that thing is that you've been wanting to jump off with it. Just do something to get started. Because of this thing that kind of popped up in my life, this kind of rather large bill that I needed to pay in 3 weeks, kind of lit a fire under me. And I thought, I'm starting, I'm buckling down, I'm doubling and tripling down on what I'm already doing. So how about I talk about this, and maybe it'll help someone else, because I'm in the headspace right now to where this is actually working for me. If it's Amazon FBA, hey, look, super pumped that you're thinking about it. Jump off, get it started. If it's eBay, if it's stock market investing, whatever your thing is, whatever you want to do, jump off. If you want to go back to school, jump off, get it started. No time like the present to get something started. Actually, that's not true. I think Warren Buffett, somebody said, the best time to plant a shade tree is 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a shade tree is today. So do something today that your future self will thank you for. And remember that our life is just a series of inputs and outputs. Where you are today, where I am today, is an output of whatever I did a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a year ago. That input affects what today's output is. So don't get tied up in just thinking about the planning part of everything. You can see this board back here, right? Those are some plans. Those are some things that I'm working on, some stuff I'm building and doing behind the scenes. But if it just stays on that board in those colorful little sticky notes, nothing's ever going to get done. It comes down to actually putting in the work, getting it done, and that produces results. Right now, just cleaning shoes. You can actually see I got some shoes down here, cleaning, prepping them to be listed on eBay, Posh, Mercari, and just kind of getting it done. So we're going to ship some stuff out today, going to go sourcing again today, nonstop. I've noticed in the past that I will start something and I have terrible follow through. I recognize this about myself. It's something I want to change. It's something I want to get better at. And so every single day I'm forcing myself, even if I only have $5 to put into reinvesting because of whatever reason, $5, man, I'm going out and I'm going to find something for $5 to flip. On my last video you saw, I was able to score a pair of sunglasses for $2.50 and flip them for $55. I think my net profit was in the $40 range on those. So look, $5 can go a long way if you're careful and diligent. I'm going to go out, I'm going to be consistent, I'm going to follow through, I'm going to find that stuff that is valuable, that is sitting on the shelf, and I'm going to flip that joker for money. Today's budget is looking pretty good. I will take you on that ride with me. Let's go. So let's take a minute to talk about starting now. What does it mean to start now? In the beginning of this video, I talked about, don't just think about it and have a dream or an idea or a goal, but you actually have to start and actually do things, right? Start. And so I know for a lot of you, starting might be kind of a daunting thing because maybe you don't have capital. Maybe you don't have the money in the bank to actually start whatever that looks like. Well, let me just tell you how I do. I don't believe that you need to have money to make money. I think you need to have money to make a lot more money. In other words, to scale something. But I don't think you have to have money in order to make money. What do I mean by this? This is very simple. If you need to make some money, if you need to make money within a few days to a week, you can simply look around your house, look around your apartment, dig through your garage or your attic or your basement and go through and find items that you don't use and that you don't absolutely need to survive and sell those on the internet. You've got multiple apps. You've got Poshmark and Mercari for clothes. You've got eBay for everything. You've got Letgo. You've got OfferUp. If you want to sell appliances or furniture, you can sell stuff. Then when you get that profit in, after all the fees are taken care of, you take 50% and you keep it, and you take 50% and roll it into buying something else that you can flip. That's the scalability. So you have to have money to make more money, but you don't have to have money to start. Another thing is this: my capital has a limit to it. However, I have a friend who has a bit more capital than me, and he came to me and said, hey, why don't we work on an agreement? You can get shoes really cheap where you live, and they're more expensive where he lives in Texas. He said, why don't you buy the shoes? I will Google pay you money to buy shoes. You take them home and clean them and photograph them. Send me the photos. I will list them and sell them. When they sell, I'll send you a shipping label. You box them up, send them out. We split all profits 50% each. So that's a really good thing for me because I don't have to have the money. I just go find the stuff. He fronts the money. I do a little bit of work. He does a little bit of work. We both profit off of this. Then that money, that 50% of the profits that is mine to keep, that he'll pay me out, with that, I can go turn around and buy more stuff. Or I can pay a bill, or I can buy my weekly coffee, or whatever I need to do. You don't have to have money to start making money. You need money to make a lot more money, but you don't need it to start. So literally, I'm wiping the excuses out for you. Taking care of those excuses. In just a minute here, I'm going to go through and show you everything that we got today. I'll show you the shoes that I bought with my own money, and then the shoes that I bought with the money fronted by my business partner. That's kind of what we're calling it right now. It's like a wonderful, wonderful relationship, business relationship. You don't need money to start. Get out there, do something, find something, flip something, make money, use that money to make more money. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go with today's finds. First off, got these Salomon, I guess, walking shoes, outdoor walking shoes. These are $5.50, going for $40 to $50 on eBay. Some Air Max 97s, pretty dirty, but good condition overall. They are youth, paid $3. Some Air Max right here, also a little dirty, youth size, paid $3. I've got these fluorescent or blaze orange Nike Air Force Ones, very dirty, youth size, paid $3. Got these Jordan 1s, youth size, dirty, but in good condition overall. Even the sole has all of the tread. It's not worn down flat anywhere. Youth size, I paid $3. I've got these. I don't know what they are off the top of my head, but they are cool looking. They are adult size, so I paid $5.50. They are a little dirty. I think this is pretty discolored, and so I'll try to clean that up as much as possible, but I may not get it back to white. Oh, they're Dunks. Nike Dunk Highs. Okay, there we go. Paid $5.50. Comps are good. Little kind of like sort of a flat, just starting out on the tips of the heel there. Not bad. They will sell, no problem. I think the comps for these were like $35 or so, $35, $40. So those are all of my shoes. Now I have some other shoes here that are my business partner and I kind of do a little deal.
where he's in Texas and I'm in Virginia, but when I find extra shoes, he Google pays me, and then I buy the shoes. I will clean them and photograph them. I'll send him the photos. He will list them and sell them. And when they sell, he will send me a shipping label. I will ship them out, and then we split net profits 50-50. So first pair is a pair of Asics. These are the Gel Kayano 19s. I've sold some of these in the past. They sell very easily. We've got some Mizuno Wave Inspire 19s. Dirty, but we will clean them up and get them sold quick. The soles look in really good condition. And then this shoe, I'm not sure what this shoe model is off the top of my head. I want to say Air Max 1, but I'm not 100% sure. $5, not bad at all. And both shoes are in really good condition other than just being dirty. This is also a partnership shoe. Let me throw them all into the frame and get a shot. So this is the entire haul from today. Really happy. Not a lot of shoes, but some solid profit built in right there. Just got to clean them up and photograph them and then list them. Easy money.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the video today. Remember, if you have had the idea, any idea, to start, whether it be Amazon, eBay, selling clothes on Poshmark, starting your own lawn, lawn mowing company, whatever that might look like for you, whatever the thing is, the most important step is start. You can figure out the details later. Start today. Start tomorrow when you wake up. Just start. That's the thing. And whenever obstacles come your way, just get over them. Move fast, just start. Just like I did with the last video I uploaded, I'm gonna share a few heavy hitters that sold, and hope you guys enjoy that. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, consider doing that, and I will see you guys on the next video.